Listen up, landlords and rental property owners, because today we're learning more about an all-in-one property management software that can save you time and money. In fact, it can simplify how you manage your rentals for free. So if you're intrigued, as I am, please welcome John Martin, Vice President of Product Marketing at TurboTenant, and he's here with more. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm excited because I own a few properties with my mom.
Awesome.
And we are landlords.
Okay.
So I read here this is very comprehensive, easy to use. So I have a bazillion questions, but tell me about it first.
Sure, yeah. So TurboTenant actually started as a way to screen and do applications really easily. Our founder realized that, hey, if I'm managing my own rental property, there's not a place for me to get a comprehensive application. It's not digital, I have to print it out. And then the screening report I have to do all online.
Yes.
And I need to now charge the tenants and then turn around and pay the screening company. This seems overly complicated. He realized if we stepped in and managed the transaction with the renters, we could offer a really great application and screening service for free to the landlord. This year, we plan to process $3 billion in rent payments for landlords across the country.
Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, speaking of numbers, I was reading here, and I want to share this with our viewers. 1 in 3 rentals, that's 20 million units in the U.S., are managed by individual owners, not big corporate landlords or management firms.
Yep.
And only 20% of rental unit owners use property management software. Only 20%. Like wow, there's a lot of business still for you guys. And you obviously want to help, so you provide the rental agreements, you talked about accounting, screenings, what else?
Yeah, so rental agreements, accounting, screening, marketing tools, the accounting product we've been building, I'm really proud of. It immediately syncs with your bank account. In addition, we've built one other thing we're really excited about is the maintenance AI tool. We've got everything from end to end of the leasing process for managing your property.
Let's talk about screenings, because for me that is paramount,
yes.
Right? To find someone that's really going to take care of the space. That is really, for me, the key to success.
Absolutely.
How do you help there?
Screening's really key, and historically, screening's been a pretty complicated process. You have to figure out how to do criminal, credit, the background check itself, and there's a bunch of laws around it now. So we can tell where your rental is and then know what laws apply to that rental and then only show you the information to keep you safe as a landlord.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Now, free, obviously we talked about the word free. Free is great, but there must be different plans for different needs. Can we talk about that?
Yes. Many of our landlords, almost half of our landlords, use the platform entirely for free. But there's another tier, and we call that premium, and that unlocks things like enhanced accounting or more forms, right? So lease addendums and things like that make it easier to manage your property. And then we just launched another tier called Autopilot. And Autopilot is a way for landlords to use our platform, and we will take on a lot of the hands-on management, the day-to-day, the maintenance requests. We'll screen and recommend you tenants. We'll list your property, send a photographer out there.
What's the response from landlords? What are you hearing?
So many of our landlords say things to me like, I really wish I knew about this 5 years ago, or I didn't know I wasn't allowed to do that. Thank you for telling me I'm not allowed to do this kind of screening. Landlords love it, and every new thing we build, we're listening to our landlords constantly. They're waking up to the realization that not only should I just retire my spreadsheet and get into this free platform to do everything, they're also recognizing that renters are expecting it.
For our viewers who'd like more information, where can they go?
They can go to turbotenant.com. There you can sign up for the platform, access all of the tools we've been talking about today. You can also view us on YouTube, where we have what we call the Landlord Lens, which is looking at current events and other topics through the view of small rental property owners. We have a newsletter you can subscribe to, which takes the same idea of what's the news for rental property owners.
Get educated.
Get educated,
and
exactly.
Be informed.
Yes.
One more time, the website?
turbotenant.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all.
Great information. And of course, if you want more information, you can go to our website, designingspaces.tv. We'll be right back.